it's Joanne. So I know this has been around for quite a few years, but we are so excited that we have our iRobot Roomba Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. So this has really been a great powerhouse and game changer for us in our busy schedule and the fact that we're pet parents. So it could be great for anyone that wants some effortless cleaning. So you get the phone app and it lets you set the Roomba to control exactly which rooms you want to clean, when you want to clean them, or if you want to focus on a special, maybe messy spot first, and then create no zone areas as well. So you can schedule to clean the whole house or just certain areas on the app. It has now been engineered to avoid pet messes called the POOP guarantee. So they'll replace it for free if it does not go by the POOP guidelines. So it's also designed to avoid small items now like socks, phone chargers, maybe pet toys, or any other small things that are on the floor that may be left behind. So I love that it's great, not only on our carpet, but on our tile floors and also on our rugs. And it does work great on the pet house. So I really love that it empties itself, so we don't have to empty it often. And it has a nice dirt disposal bin. We really don't have to empty this for over a month and sometimes a month and a half. So we actually have ours set automatically to clean weekly, but we can also set it to clean in between if needed. We really love that it does the hard work for us. I'm telling you, we love it.